You have an idea, a spark of inspiration that ignites your imagination. It's that moment when something clicks, when a new possibility emerges in your mind. Maybe it's a YouTube channel, a platform to share your voice and connect with the world. A place where you can express your creativity and build a community around your passions. Perhaps it's a business, a venture that solves a problem, fulfills a need, or brings something new and exciting to the market. A chance to build something from the ground up and make a real impact. Or maybe it's an art project, a creative endeavor that allows you to express yourself, explore your artistic talents, and share your unique vision with the world. For years, turning ideas into reality meant needing money. Securing funding, attracting investors, and navigating the complex world of finance were often prerequisites for bringing your vision to life. It often meant needing a team, a group of skilled professionals to help you execute your vision, manage the workload, and bring your ideas to fruition. And expensive software, the tools and resources necessary to create, edit, and refine your work to a professional standard. That wall stopped countless dreams before they began. The financial burden, the logistical challenges, and the sheer complexity of the process often proved insurmountable for aspiring creators and entrepreneurs. But now, that wall is crumbling, brick by brick, as new technologies and opportunities emerge. The landscape of creativity and entrepreneurship is changing rapidly, opening doors for anyone with a passion and a vision. Artificial intelligence, AI, has changed the game, leveling the playing field, and empowering individuals to achieve their creative and entrepreneurial goals. Today you can access tools once reserved for big studios, the kind of resources that were previously only available to large corporations and established creative agencies. You can access them right from your laptop, from the comfort of your own home, or from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. AI is your creative superpower, a force multiplier that enhances your abilities, streamlines your workflow, and unlocks new possibilities. It's a scriptwriter, helping you craft compelling narratives and engaging content. A designer, editor capable of creating stunning visuals and refining your work to perfection. And a project manager in one, keeping you organized, on track, and focused on your goals. It doesn't replace your creativity, it amplifies it, enhancing your natural talents and allowing you to achieve even greater heights. AI handles the tedious tasks, the repetitive and time-consuming work that often bogs down the creative process, so you can focus on your vision, on the big picture, and on bringing your unique ideas to life. The best part? Many tools are free or low cost, making them accessible to anyone with a desire to create. The barrier to entry is gone, democratizing creativity and empowering individuals from all backgrounds to pursue their passions. All you need is your passion and a willingness to learn, to embrace new technologies, and to explore the endless possibilities that AI offers. In this video, we'll show you how to use these tools, providing practical guidance and actionable strategies to help you harness the power of AI. We'll share real success stories, showcasing how individuals just like you are using AI to achieve their creative and entrepreneurial dreams, and give you step-by-step guides providing clear and concise instructions to help you master the tools and techniques we'll be covering. Your journey as a creator or entrepreneur starts now, with the power of AI at your fingertips. The tools are here. The opportunity is real. The future of creativity is now. Let's dive in and unlock your creative potential. Let's talk tools. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference. We're not just talking about any tools, we're diving into the world of AI-powered platforms that are revolutionizing content creation and workflow management. ChatGPT is your brainstorming partner and writer, a versatile AI companion that can assist you with a wide range of tasks. Need help with scripts, blog ideas, compelling captions, or even lines of code? ChatGPT has you covered. It's like having a digital assistant ready to tackle any writing challenge. The more detail you give, the better the results. Providing specific instructions and context allows the AI to generate content that aligns perfectly with your vision. Think of it as guiding the AI to create exactly what you need. For visuals, try Midjourney. This AI art generator opens up a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to bring your imagination to life through stunning visuals. Or DALL-E, another powerful AI tool that specializes in image generation. Simply describe an image and AI creates it instantly. It's an incredible way to visualize your ideas and create custom graphics without needing advanced design skills. Need a YouTube thumbnail that grabs attention and entices viewers to click? Or perhaps you're looking for custom art to elevate your brand or project. These AI tools deliver results done in seconds, saving you valuable time and resources. For voiceovers, ElevenLabs offers a game-changing solution. It turns your text into realistic, human-sounding audio, perfect for adding professional narration to your videos or presentations. Don't want to record your own voice? No problem. With ElevenLabs, you can achieve high-quality voiceovers without ever having to step behind a microphone. For video creation and editing, Pictory is an excellent choice, and Runway offer powerful AI-driven features to streamline your video production process. These platforms can turn blog posts into videos, repurposing your content for different formats and reaching a wider audience. They come equipped with stock footage libraries, automatic captioning tools, and a wide selection of music to enhance your videos. To stay organized and manage your projects effectively, Cascade is a valuable asset, and Notion AI provide intelligent assistance to boost your productivity and streamline your workflow. These tools help you plan, brainstorm, and manage projects automatically, freeing up your time to focus on the creative aspects of your work. Tell Cascade to create a workflow for a specific project, and it maps out every step for you, providing a clear roadmap to success. These tools put the power of a full creative team at your fingertips, empowering you to achieve more than ever before. No more chaos, just streamlined creation, allowing you to focus on what you do best. With AI, you can execute big ideas solo, transforming your vision into reality without the need for a large team. Let's see how creators are using them and discover the innovative ways they're leveraging these tools to enhance their work. Meet AI Historian, a YouTube channel that exploded by telling captivating stories from the past. The creator had no video experience or big budget, just passion and AI tools. ChatGPT helped research and write engaging scripts, breaking down complex history into bite-sized stories. Midjourney generated stunning visuals, Roman legions, Egyptian pharaohs, epic battles, all in a unique art style. ElevenLabs provided a professional voiceover, saving time and money. The result? High-quality videos that stood out, gaining hundreds of thousands of subscribers in a year. One person, a suite of AI tools, and a big imagination. Proof you don't need a team to build something amazing. AI makes it possible. Now, meet Stellar Art, a designer who turned her passion into a business with AI. Using Midjourney and DALL-E, she transformed her ideas into beautiful digital art in minutes. She mastered prompt writing, directed the AI, and refined images in Photoshop. Her online store sold digital downloads and prints worldwide. Social media buzzed with her surreal, eye-catching art. What started as a hobby became a thriving side business. AI let her create, sell, and scale. No traditional art training required. With vision and the right tools, anyone can build a creative business from home. Innovate AI, a small African startup, runs a digital marketing agency almost entirely with AI. The founders focused on strategy, letting AI handle research, content, and design. ChatGPT created strategies and ad copy in hours, not days. ElevenLabs and Midjourney produced voiceovers and visuals for clients. Pictory turned blogs into videos for social media. Their tiny team managed the workload of a much larger agency. Clients loved the speed and quality. Business boomed. Innovate AI proves you can build a scalable, profitable agency with just a few people and smart tech. Ready to try it yourself? It's easier than you might think to dive into the world of AI. Here are 4 quick tutorials to get you started with some of the most popular AI tools available today. We'll walk you through the basics so you can begin creating amazing content right away. First, let's explore how to write a script with ChatGPT. This powerful tool can help you generate creative content in seconds. Sign up for a free account, then type a clear and concise prompt like, write a 1-minute YouTube script about the benefits of drinking water daily. The more specific you are, the better the results will be. And let AI generate it. Review the script, refine it, and tweak as needed to match your style and preferences. Next, let's create an image with Midjourney. This AI art generator can turn your ideas into stunning visuals. Join their Discord server, find a newbie channel, type /imagine followed by your prompt. Like, a glass of sparkling water with ice cubes and lemon, bright and refreshing, photorealistic. Experiment with different styles and keywords to get the perfect image. Midjourney will generate 4 variations based on your prompt, and then choose your favorite result to upscale and download. For voiceover, let's explore ElevenLabs. This AI tool can create realistic and expressive voices for your projects. Pick a voice from their library, paste your script into the text box, adjust settings like stability and clarity to fine-tune the voice. Then generate and download your audio. No expensive microphone or recording studio needed. Now let's turn a blog post into a video with Pictory. This AI-powered platform can automatically create engaging videos from your written content. Simply paste your text into Pictory and let AI select key sentences and relevant stock footage to create a compelling video narrative. You can easily add captions to increase engagement, choose background music from their library, and edit the video as you like. In just minutes, you'll have a script, image, voiceover, and video, ready to share on social media or your website. No special skills required to use these AI tools. They are designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Experiment, play around with different prompts and settings, and see what you can create. The possibilities are endless. The learning curve is gentle, and the results are often instant, allowing you to quickly iterate and refine your creations. Start with one tool that interests you, and build from there. As you become more comfortable, you can explore other AI tools and techniques. You'll be amazed at what you can do with these simple AI tools, even if you have no prior experience. These tools are designed for beginners and pros alike, offering a range of features to suit different skill levels and creative needs. Don't overthink it, just start exploring and experimenting. The best way to learn is by doing. So jump in and start creating. You'll be surprised at how quickly you pick things up. Your first project doesn't have to be perfect. The important thing is to take action and start learning. Every step you take, every prompt you write, and every image you generate builds your skills and confidence. Your creative journey begins now, so embrace the possibilities and have fun exploring the world of AI. You've seen the tools, the stories, and the steps. The wall between your dream and reality is gone. The only question, what will you build? This is your moment. AI is evolving fast and you can grow with it. Don't wait for perfection. Start now, and you'll be ahead of the curve. Pick one tool, write a script, generate an image, or make a video. No pressure to create a masterpiece, just begin. The future belongs to creators who embrace new tech. The tools and opportunities are here. The missing ingredient is your action. Let us know in the comments what you'll create first. Let's get started.